Welcome back to the McCall's Baking Channel. Have you ever wondered how to use chocolate wafers to create perfect chocolate candies? Well, we have all the tips and tricks for you. We will answer all your chocolate wafer questions and help you get started crafting incredible treats. Let's get started. To begin, you will need all the right chocolate making ingredients. Luckily, McCall's has them all. Get together some McCall's chocolate melting wafers, chocolate and candy oil-based color, McCall's Super OCO, sunflower lecithin, your favorite shaped chocolate plastic candy mold. Chocolate wafers are also called compound chocolates, candy melts, candy snaps, or even coating wafers. You can tell it's the melting chocolate that you want when you see palm kernel oil or cottonseed oil in the ingredients. That's the one you need. Today we will show you how to use the microwave to melt chocolate wafers. Start by placing the chocolate wafers in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat them for 30 seconds. Stir the wafers briefly. Most will not be melted, but mixing them up in the bowl helps to heat them evenly. This is the key to ensuring your chocolate wafers melt uniformly and do not burn. Wafers will hold their shape until they're stirred, so you also need to stir them to see if they're melted. You won't be able to tell just by looks alone. Continue to microwave the chocolate wafers in 30-second increments, stirring after each trip to the microwave. It may take a few heating sessions to melt the chocolate, longer if you have more chocolate in your bowl, or fewer seconds if you are only melting a small amount of chocolate. Place the bowl back in the microwave and heat for another 30 seconds. Stir again. This time, be sure to blend the melted chocolate with the unmelted wafers and scrape the melted chocolate off the sides of the bowl as you mix. Check the temperature of your melted chocolate wafers using a candy thermometer. Hold the thermometer in the chocolate while you stir with a rubber spatula. This will ensure that the chocolate is a uniform temperature and the thermometer gets an accurate read. The best working temperature for chocolate is between 90 and 92 degrees Fahrenheit. If your chocolate is too hot, add a few more chocolate wafers to the bowl and mix. The heat from the melted chocolate will melt the new wafers and cool down the chocolate as well. Add a little sunflower lecithin to improve the viscosity of the melted chocolate. This will make it flow better and also prevent the chocolate from blooming or having white spots after it hardens. Add about half a teaspoon at a time until the melted chocolate is at a good working consistency. Use a rubber spatula to lift a small amount of melted chocolate wafers out of your bowl and into the plastic candy mold. Always use a clean, dry mold that has been wiped and polished. Your chocolates will pop out of the mold easier and have a shinier finish when they have been polished. If you're making solid chocolates, fill the mold to the top with your melted chocolate. Gently tap the chocolate mold on your work surface and then use a small offset spatula to level the chocolate. You can also fill your chocolate molds by piping the melted chocolate into the mold. If you want to make hollow chocolates, flip the chocolate mold upside down and pour out the excess chocolate. Be sure to save it as you can definitely use it again. Tap the chocolate mold and get out as much chocolate as possible, leaving you with a hollow chocolate shell. Fill your hollow chocolates with your choice of delicious filling. We love piping McCall's liquid caramel into each chocolate. It will be a delicious surprise for anyone who bites into the chocolate later on. Once your hollow chocolates are filled, top them with more melted chocolate, sealing the caramel inside. Scrape off any excess chocolate with a metal spatula and level the chocolate. Place the chocolate molds on a flat sheet tray. You can put them in the freezer for a few minutes to make them harden quickly, or simply let them sit at room temperature for an hour to get firm. Once your chocolate has hardened, flip the chocolate mold upside down. Chocolate contracts as it hardens, so it should take very little effort to get the chocolates out of the mold. If they stick, gently tap the tray on the counter to help release them. If they're still stuck, it may mean that your chocolate has not set completely and needs to cool a little bit longer. Brush off any excess chocolate from the edge of your candies, and then they're ready to enjoy. We hope you liked this video about melting chocolate wafers in the microwave. If you're interested in learning about melting chocolate wafers over a double boiler, check out the second part to our tutorial where you can learn a whole new method of melting chocolate wafers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel as well so you never miss a new video. Follow us on Instagram, tag us in all your baking creations, and be sure to stop by our website at mccalls.ca. We have everything you need to make incredible chocolates and so much more.